Welcome to this 10-minute slow and gentle yoga practice for your hips and lower back. No props required, not even a yoga mat. If you like, you can practice by laying down on the carpet or on a towel. We will begin in a reclined butterfly pose. Lay down on the back, bring the soles of the feet together and open your knees wide. Your hands can stay on your belly, thighs. Relax next to your body with palms facing up. Or you can take your arms up over the head for a bit more upper body opening, shoulder stretch. Find the position that feels good in your body right now and gently close your eyes. Focus on deepening your breath, breathing in into your chest and belly, and exhaling gently through the nose. With inhale, notice the belly rise, and exhale, let your body relax deeper into the pose. Take one more big breath in, slow breath out. Bring your hands to the outside of the thighs and pull the knees together. Separate your feet a little wider than the hips and begin to lower the knees side to side. Bring in more movement into the area of the hips and lower body. Bring your legs back to center, and to set up for reclined twist, roll over to your right side with your knees together, arms stretched forward. Then open your left arm out to the side. Turn your chest to face up towards the ceiling and try to look towards your left hand. Full spinal twist. Your right arm can stay stretched out to the side in T-shape, or you can place that hand on top of your left knee. Take one more big breath in the twist. And then slowly roll to the left side, knees together. Open your right arm out to the side and find your twist on the other side. Turn your head towards your right hand if that's comfortable. And breathe in and out into the chest and belly. Take one more full inhale, deep exhale, and from here slowly roll over to your knees and elbows, setting up for child's pose. Bring your big toes together, knees can be together or wide apart. Release your head to the mat, to the floor, or on top of your forearms. You can rock side to side a couple of times, settling into a comfortable position. And then close your eyes and let your body fully relax. Notice what you feel here, maybe a gentle stretch on your hips and lower back. Maybe somewhere else in your body. With your next breath, slowly come up to your hands and knees. And for pigeon pose, bring your left knee forward behind your wrist. Straighten your right leg back behind you. Move the hips side to side and slowly settle in. You can stay up on your hands or lower down to the elbows. Or maybe even all the way down this time. Relax your forehead to the mat on top of your forearms. This is one of the best positions to stretch out the hips. Feels great on the lower back as well. So enjoy it. Take a couple deep breaths. Slowly come up to your hands. Take your left leg back and bring your right knee forward. Find a comfortable pigeon pose on the other side. Move around until you are comfortable and then settle into stillness. Maybe staying on your hands for some time, or maybe lowering down. Remember the breath, focus on deep exhales, helping your body release tension. Take one more breath on this side. And slowly make your way up to your hands and knees. Flow through a few rounds of cat and cow. With inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, pull the shoulders back. Exhale, press the floor away and round the back. Just move with your breath, mobilizing the spine. Then come back to neutral position and come up to your knees for a gentle camel pose variation. Lengthen your tailbone down, place hands on the back of the hips, gently push your hips forward as you lift your chest up. Breathe here, you may feel a gentle stretch on the front of the hips in this position. Take one more big breath, lift your heart up. And as you release, sit down to your heels. Close your eyes for a moment. And let's finish this practice with one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms out and up. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. Thank yourself for taking this short time to do something good for your body. And gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!